How can we challenge ourselves? The first things challenge your belief system, challenger. Existing belief, we know that our limitation is our belief system. They are believed that we cannot create many things. We believe that if we cannot create more things, we only believe that the unlimited, our abilities are limited. Our skills are limited, our possibilities are limited, our opportunities are limited. So you have to challenge this limiting belief by learning new things. Well, you have to learn new things. You should learn about your possibilities. You should learn about your strength and your mind, and many things are there in the world. When you look around the world, there were new things are happening. The possibilities, the opportunities are coming into your life. Opportunities are there in the world. Many things are coming to a world when you start learning new things, new possibilities, new capacities, new abilities, and new power of your mind, the capacity, the strength of your mind. By learning your own mind, by learning these universe, and by learning how the universe is functioning, by learning the opportunities in the world, by learning new information, new area, you can challenge your limiting belief, and you can expand your belief system. You can break your limitation and boundary of your belief system. In second challenge, you have to challenge your comfort zone, or to challenge your comfort. Many people are limiting themselves in comfort zone. Comfort zone means no growth, no potential growth. So you have to challenge your comfort zone. You have to break your comfort zone by taking yourself into discomfort. Take yourself into discomfort. Take yourself into more challenging environment. Take yourself into more challenging physical, challenging or mental, challenging work. More by doing so, you're challenging yourself. You are taking yourself into discomfort. So once you become able to cross the discomfort, you become more capable to do things, more confident, more stronger than before. So don't let you down in comfort zone. Don't sit yourself in comfort zone. Always challenge yourself in your comfort zone. Always challenge your comfort and break your comfort zone. And third things challenge your physical fitness. Challenger physical abilities. A strong mind needed, strong body when you are moving on, when you are creating more energy, when you're energetic. That means you feel happy when you are physically active. It creates a positive hormone, a healthy hormone in our brain and mind that will give us energy and happiness. So you have to move on. You have to do physical activities, walking, running, jogging, and many things. Challenge your physical fitness. Don't let you down. Don't let yourself in health. You have to create more energy. Let grow your body. Let be strong. By challenging your physical fitness, you are making yourself stronger. If you want to create more success, if you want to create a great success in your life, if you want to achieve more success, more complex things, if you want to experience more interesting experiences in this universe, now to challenge yourself. Because remember this, you have only one life. You don't have a second life. This is your last chance to live your life. This may be your last day, so don't waste your precious day. Don't waste your last chance in this universe. Don't waste your last life in this universe. This is only one life to live your dream, and this is only last life to live your dream. You don't have another life. You will never come back to this universe with the same life. So don't let you down in your last life. Be strong and challenge yourself to create your dream. Wish you all the best. This is me, Casser. Ben Charlie. You.